Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a grunge image effect on Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go on to higgsfield.ai, which is an AI platform that allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects for your images and even mind-blowing stunning effect also for your short videos, especially if you're into sci-fi, horror, or any genre of movie basically. So you can actually create amazing images. So to create the grunge effects, all you have to do is to log in, go to the Higgsfield Soul section, click on grunge. You'll be taken to a page like this where you see the theme is distressed denim, oversized flannel, and don't scare hair, moody, messy, iconic. So you can see samples of images created using this particular type of effects. So if you want something like this for your image, you can actually click on any of these images that speak to you, and let me say I want this. I can click on it, and then I would see the prompt behind this. I can click on recreate, and it will take me to a page where I can actually recreate the video. I'm sorry, the image with the prompt. So I can actually modify this and make it mine. And actually, I can also actually upload a character here and make the image to be in my face or the face I want. Also, you can change the resolution here from high to basic. The high uses 2 credits for each generation, while the basic uses a single credits for generation. You can also change the aspect ratio. If you are not comfortable with 3 by 4, you can switch to any of these other ratios here: 16 by 9, 1 by 1 square, or 9 by 16. I think 9 by 16 may be okay. And once you're done, you can hit generate. Each generation takes about 9 seconds for to completion. So that's it guys. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. So sorry again, the once your image is rendered, you can actually animate it by clicking on the animate option here to make it into a video or add speech to it. You can also now download it here and it will appear in your PC. So um let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, please, we are trying to grow our channel, so please subscribe. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.